Hey there, design wizards. Welcome back to Triple P Designers, your one stop shop for all things related to creative and design. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of Figma with a tutorial on creating sliding and pop up effects. Whether you are designing a sleek mobile interface or a interactive website, this technique will add that wow factor to your project. So just grab your Figma file and let make those elements slide and pop up with style. Okay, hey guys, so now we have a beautiful project coming over here. It's a little bit technical, but as a UI and UX perspective we can enhance it in a better way. So the main logic of this project is like the PRD, or you can say the main requirement. So over here you can see this particular UI is little bit old school. You can see suggest a product. After user clicks over here, this pop-up comes in, come in and get on the screen, and just the blank look. Okay, so it's not that appealing. So this particular CTA also not looking that clickable for a user. We have the main requirement like this. After clicking this CTA, if the user is searching something in this particular application, he is not getting the product, so we are giving one options: kindly write down what you are searching if it is not available in our cart or in our application or in our inventory. So after user clicking and suggest a product, user can suggest us few products which is not available in our inventory. So according to that aspect we are thinking, so this UI gonna look like something similar or something better enhanced in a UI perspective, and UX wise it should be look clickable, and user can easily search whatever he gonna search. If that product is not available, then we gonna give it a suggested product CTA over here. So let's do the revamp and changes. I have already highlighted few things. This two different color palettes, primary and secondary, one line and one text I have taken for my help. So let's see what better enhancement we can create over here. First of all, this particular element suggest a product need to be a secondary or primary CTA. We're not going for primary because already product having multiple primary CTA available in the application. So we're just gonna highlight the background in a lighter color and need to change the text color to this one, right? Yes, now it's looking proper, you can see, right? So the one thing we have to do, just copy this particular element and we have to paste in all these blurry background, because I don't prefer to go without any detail work. So it's better to proceed. If you are working on any project, kindly proceed with each and every single screen step by step. It will take longer time, but it will enhance your skills of detail working in precise working in UI and UX part. So this things is already done. If UI is if a user search data T, if it's not available in our inventory, we have given a text message, sorry we couldn't find product matching, and in bracket we'll just highlight data T. Then the CTA comes up, suggest a product. If data T is not available, then user can easily write data T, or we can just auto fetch in a backend process the name of that product and highlight, and good to go with that. So I don't like this particular UI pop-up system, so I have to enhance it in a little more better way. I just don't like the padding. I have imagined a different way. So just keep on holding my hands and see what the things I am gonna create. Let's make a rectangle and make it 70. That's cool. And I just want the corner radius should be bottom corner radius, bottom left and bottom right should be 50-50. That's why it's gonna look like this thumb like structure, right? And we're gonna do something like this. Then one thing, I think you can't able to see the particular element, so better I gonna make the screen little bit just wait, darker. Background should be, yes, now it's visible. Okay, cool. So let me make it little bit more fading kind of view. Yeah, now it's look proper. And I have to take one rectangle above this. I want something like this curvy, like you can imagine. I hope you can imagine something like this in both the sides. Okay, like a pillar like structure. Yeah, so let's remove this, and I just want to go with something like this. Let's make the structure and make a strip. The strip should be width of 360 because our phone is Android large, and this will in the center line. Okay, perfect. So now I have to do it union selection. After doing union selection, I have to curve the corner radius. Let's make it 30. It's good to go, I think. And we're gonna reduce the, yes, now it's looking like a water droplet, which I am imagining to create. And let's make the color change to bluish something, slightly gray and blue combination. Bring the icon to front. Now it's perfect. Make it a group, and I'm gonna put it inside over here. I think the size is little bit issue. Let's reduce it and put it, try to put it non-selected. I just have to copy this particular element and paste it over here. Okay, now it's looking cool. 360 height, let me resize it. Okay, and color is not that visible, so I need to make it, yes, now it's a proper visible element. 24, 24, 48, so I will not go bigger than that. I can enlarge this particular circle to 80, 80. Yeah, now it's perfectly aligned. It's not center line to the element, so I think I have to resize it manually. Yeah, now it's underlined and properly looking. Remove this one. The one thing is missing the header of this particular pop-up, so I prefer to add this particular header, suggest a product, and this particular element which look little bit more elegant, you can say, and in a better way. So center line, and I will, yes, and these two things should be fill content, and the entire system should be fill content. Now it's perfect looking. We can just reverse it. Yes, now it's looking like a header, and then the input box for the user gonna write the description over here, and this is look more elegant than this one. And I just have to replace with the old design. Yes, now how perfectly looking it is, right? It's looking more beautiful. Yeah, similarly I'm gonna implement the second stage, like if user makes it after clicking on this, after user entering some details, like if he is gonna enter something like any text, like he gonna enter, as I have highlighted Tata Tea, I gonna write Tata Tea brand. Perfect. Then this button get activated, because if there is no text, then button will not get activated. If there is text, then button will get activated. So this will be the primary CTA I have highlighted. And then after clicking on the submit button, the user gonna see this thank you screen. So I also created the similar look for thank you screen. and I have to place the icon, replace the icon with this one. Now it's looking more beautiful. I just have to paste and replace. Yes, and have to remove this particular padding from the top part to make it 0. Yes. Now see, this is a beautifully looking bubble drop, like water droplet like design in the pop-up or slide in, and it looks more enhanced than the old UI which I have shown to you. So this is the final look, and that's a wrap on our slide and pop-up effect tutorial in Figma. I hope you found these tips useful and are exciting in all aspects to try them out in our own project. Just before you open your Figma file and go for it. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Triple P Designer for more design insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions regarding to designs or any suggestion you prefer to give it to me. Until next time, keep designing and stay inspiring. Bye bye.